वेलकम टू न्यू ब्लॉग। आज हम जा रहे हैं टोक्यो यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस एंड देन नेजू श्राइन। एक वॉकिंग टूर था यहाँ पर जिस पर मैंने बुक किया था एंड वो लोग वॉलंटियर करते हैं। जनरली ये वॉकिंग टूर फ्री होता है। इफ़ देर इज़ नो एंट्री फी दे वोंट चार्ज यू एनी मनी, सो दे प्रोवाइड यू एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द प्लेस। आप खुद भी ये जगह जा सकते हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज आपको अगर सोशल गैदरिंग करनी पसंद है या आपको डिफरेंट नेशनलिटी के लोगों से मिलना पसंद है तो आप ये टूर ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं, so that you can get additional information. You don't have to Google about it. Somebody would tell you what exactly this place is, what is its history. So yeah, let's go.
Designed by Ito, an architect.
The university has three major campuses: Hongo, Komaba and Kashiwa, and we explored Hongo today.
He had a question, why red gate? What red means? And the red is kind of color to purify people and also purify evil spirits. And it has kind of power for happiness. Evil. So now we call it Sanshiro Ike. So you can take pictures here. I'm waiting.
So this is a kind of a barrier, and then this is the ordinal, the ward, and then the other side is the holy sanctuary. So the people when they visit here, they just go like that, and then visit the inside.
नहीं यही वाला, ये वाला अच्छा बीच में वो जो है ना, जैसे क्योतो में टोरी गेट्स, वो यहाँ पर भी है।
अच्छा ये पुराना करके लगा है ना, पुराना।
Right? So that I have to ask the question. How many gods do we have in Japan?
Clothes.
How many gods?
Around 9,000?
Huh?
No, 9,000?
Cross. People said 8 million. 8 million.
Okay.
8 million in Japanese, the Yao Yorozu no kami means a lot. 8 million means a lot. The Shinto is that we do not have the Bible or the also founder. We do not have the founder. The God is everywhere. The trees and the stones and the leaves, whatever what you believe is that God. So the people says that we have 8 millions. Main hall built. The land was too loose to build the building. So the Tsunayoshi that decided to dig the round 7 meters, then replace the strong soil. So that's why this wall still remain like this strongly. World War II. There was carpet the bombing here in the Tokyo, and then the air the ferry. Then but the American the Air Force decided to not the attack around here. Hang like that, and then write their wishes here, and then when you write down the wishes here like this, and then hang this, and then go out. Your dream comes true. Yeah.
तो एक्सट्रीम वेदर हो गया ना आज तो.
The stone, the bungo no the bench. Bungo means the author or writer.
What is placenta?
Placenta is after birth. When the child birth, there is a placenta.
Kind of bag.
Bag. In the placenta, we call it the placenta or after birth. Yeah, and then it's a kind of a superstitious or old custom. I don't know, but at the Edo era, people believed after the childbirth. The parents buried the placenta or afterbirth under the ground, and then put those kind of the heavy the things, and then child become stronger. So for the good the baby's health at that time, and also the babies die. That's why the parents they buried their placenta here, and then just spread their the health growth. Yeah. So but now we don't have like that custom. I never heard those kind of never tried. Itinerary Shrine is the special the god for business and harvest. From all the way from Fuji, people say, yeah, at the Edo time, probably, people just carrying, this kind of thing. Then the carrying.
We came back home because of bad weather and I could not capture as much as I would have liked to. However, I really hope that you got some information or some glimpses of Tokyo from this vlog. And my personal opinion is that if anybody would like to visit a shrine, they should visit Nezu Shrine because it's not as crowded as any other shrine, and it gives you a vibe of Kyoto as well. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be happy and stay safe.